Hi all, I am Bharati Lakshmi, Head and Assistant Professor of Information Technology, and in this module, let us have a look on the usage of shape tool in CorelDRAW. There are four types of shape tools. One is rectangle tool, I am highlighting it, and next is the ellipse tool, next is the polygon tool, and final is the basic shapes tool. So in this session, we are going to design a house just like this. Using these shapes, we are going to design this house. Okay, for this, let us start how to begin. Let us see how to start it. So select file, and in that go to the new, open the new file will be opened. This is the working area, this is drawing area, and to create a new file you can use the shortcut key control. By pressing control and N you can do it off. Okay, let us begin drawing a house. So to draw a wall, let us select a rectangle tool. So I am selecting the rectangle tool, I am placing it. So I am using this pick tool, select it, and I am noting out whether it is locked or unlocked. I am unlocking it, and see, if I click single after selecting the pick tool and clicking the object, if I click once again, this symbols will come. This will be used for rotating and stretching your object. So using this I will be stretching my object. So how I want to place my wall, I am stretching it out. So if you want to reduce the height, you can go here and you can change it of the height value also. See, I am changing here 1 point something. Okay, I am changing the value. So this value also I can change it off. This value also I can change it off. Okay, so I have placed it. Next, for the next wall, I am selecting another rectangle. So I am again the same, select the pick tool, change the one and go and place it off with this wall. So if you want to increase the height, go and increase the height. So the height will be increased. Now the wall, we have got the wall. Okay, we have got the wall. I have placed it off. So we have got the other wall, another wall. Okay, fine. Now let us go for the ceiling. We can go for the hut model. So for that also we need a rectangle first. So I am placing a rectangle and moving it over here and getting, and I am crossing it off. So I am adjusting the height and the angle, rotation angle to get to place it on the place. Okay. So by adjusting, we can do it off. Okay. Next, I have to place a hut model. So for that, I am selecting this parallelogram and I am selecting the side as 3 and I am drawing a triangle. So place this triangle here, place here, and I am adjusting. I am adjusting with this to correlate. The height and height and the rotation angle is adjusted. So I can manage using this also. So this can also be brought up here. I am adjusting this to get the better result. So I am selecting this triangle again. I am adjusting. Okay, everything is perfect. That's it. So we got the house. Okay, let us have a smoker boom. So for this I am using ellipse. So ellipse also I have to place it here, and that also I am adjusting. So if I click inside, I will get the one. So using this I have to select it. See, this looks like a smoker boom. So the smoker boom in the top of the house it will appear. So we can place wherever you want. Okay, next let us place a door. So for that also we need a rectangle. So place it here and select it. Adjust the door. That's it. You got a door. So that's it. So you can resize the door height with whatever if you prefer. Next, window. For window, let us, I hope I can use this graph tool. So how many windows we can have? So how many rows and how many columns? 4 rows, 3 rows and 4 columns I am designing. So place it off. So this also you can adjust the how it should be placed. We can adjust it, and where it should be placed we can adjust. And this gives the one. Okay, this gives the look of a window. So house is ready. So let us in a house we will be having plant. So we can design a plant like this using this rectangle tool, and I am resizing it. Okay, and I am going to place just a like a cone. Okay, so for that I am selecting this parallelogram. So triangle. Okay, I am going to draw a triangle. So see, place this triangle. So how instead of drawing again triangle, what I am going to is simply copy and paste. So for copy, shortcut key is Control C and paste is Control V. And using this arrow key, up arrow key, I am moving it twice. So the similar way I am creating more triangles. Copy, paste, move it upwards. Copy, paste, move it upwards 2 point. Copy, paste, move it upwards 2 point. Copy, paste, move it upwards 2 point. Copy, paste. I am doing it like this. So a tree. I have created a tree.
Let us start drawing a moon to give a night effect. So I have chosen ellipse tool, drawing a circle like a moon. Okay, then now let us move on to color the objects, all the image whatever we have created. Let us color the object. So to color we are having more tools, that is one is fill tool and another is interactive fill tool. Fill tool will give only the uniform, that is only one color can be filled. So using this interactive you will be having pattern images, you can have that one. So let us move on to this and let us color this wall now. So for this I am going to choose bitmap pattern. So in this bitmap pattern I am choosing this image. So this image can be this is the something like tiles. So this tiles can be resized to small, medium or large. So I am selecting small, and this also can be resized by the given value, the parameter we can resize. So I am resizing this height and width of that image. And next for this wall also I am going to fill the same bitmap pattern. So I am choosing, so selecting the image, so sorry, okay, selecting this image and a small tile selecting, and I am reducing the size, the wall size, reducing the height and the width as similar. Okay, so after this I am going to color the door. I have selected the door and I am using full color pattern. In full color pattern I am selecting this image. So this pattern is filled here. Next for windows I am selecting the windows and I am going to give this linear fill. So I am filling it. So we can choose the color. So I am choosing this pink, and for this white I am choosing yellow. So see, the image has been colored, the windows has been colored. Okay, Next for this hut I am going to give a radial coloring. So for this also I am choosing the colors whatever we want. Let us move on to this orange, and instead of white I will be choosing this yellow or whatever we want, or light color and one dark color let us have. So you can adjust the by adjusting the points, these points, the color points, we can adjust the coloring. So how much dark we want, how much light color we want, we can adjust it. And this side also I am giving the same radial fill. So for this radial fill I am selecting the same, and for this I am selecting this one. Okay, so for this also I can adjust it. How come? Okay, next for this stream boom I am selecting, and just I am giving a uniform fill, and in this uniform fill I am selecting black. Yeah, if you want to change the color you can choose here, and you can change the color whatever color we want, we can change it, but black will be suitable for the stream boom. So I am having I prefer to go for black. So I am selecting all the values to 0, so all zeros will be chosen as black. Sorry. Okay, so I am choosing black here. Black will be applied. Okay, next I am going to color the tree. So in coloring the tree here for this I have to choose the brown color. So I am selecting brown color, selecting the brown and click OK. It will be filled in a uniform fill. Next, select all these triangle and give the paint as the color as conical fill. So this conical fill you will be having the color as select the green color. So one dark color and one light color. For this I am selecting this light color, light green color. So this conical will give the tree appearance. Okay, next for this moon also I am going to give a radial radial coloring. So for this white, and let us have a gray. So somewhat gray. So distance, you have a distance. This white has to be inner part, and this should be in a biggest difference. Okay, have this, you will be having somewhat one. So maximum can be white. So let me reduce this color. Okay, fine. So we will get the moon effect. Now, so we need to give a night effect. So for this I am going to draw a triangle. So draw a triangle till this. So this is going to give a look of a sky. So send this image to back of the page. So select, right click, order, and send the page to back. Select it to back of page. So now it is back of the image. So after this I am going to paint it. So for this full color pattern, so in this you can select other, and using this I am having an image downloaded from net. So I have taken an image from, I have stored it here. So the pattern will be filled. So a night screen will be visible for us. And similarly for the ground layer I am going to give a two color pattern. Let us see on this. Okay, for this also I have to place a rectangle. So in this area I have to place a rectangle. So order it to back of page, and here this two color fill I am going to select a pattern. This pattern doesn't choose, so I am going to select a pattern like a sand. So I have chosen it, and I have going to choose the colors. So colors, dark color let it be this, and light color let it be this color. So we have finished designing a house.